Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipops in Dreamtown Island. First, gather your essential ingredients: sugar, water, and corn syrup. These form the base of your delicious treats. Next, select your favorite flavorings and vibrant food colorings to customize your lollipops. Don't forget to have your lollipop sticks and a suitable silicone mold ready for the next steps. Now, let's cook the sugar mixture. Combine your sugar, water, and corn syrup in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves completely. Continue heating without stirring until the mixture reaches 300 degrees F, which is the hard crack stage. Use a candy thermometer to ensure accuracy for perfect lollipops. Once your syrup reaches the correct temperature, remove it from the heat immediately. This is the crucial moment to quickly stir in your chosen flavorings and food coloring. Work swiftly, then carefully pour the hot, colored syrup into your prepared silicone lollipop molds. Don't forget to insert a lollipop stick into each mold before the mixture sets. Finally, let your lollipops cool completely at room temperature. This can take about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on their size. Once fully hardened, gently pop them out of their silicone molds. Your homemade lollipops are now ready to enjoy. For best results, store them in an airtight container to keep them fresh and delicious.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.